Adjustment layers allow you to apply a single effect across multiple clips. This avoids the hassle of adding an effect to each clip individually. To create an effect layer, first select your project panel, then go to the File tab, hover over New, and select Adjustment Layer. When this window appears, make sure you have the correct settings set for your project, and click OK. Now we can see an adjustment layer has been added to our project panel. So we can click and drag this over the clips that we want to edit in our timeline, and it's important to remember that adjustment layers will only affect clips that are below it in the timeline, so make sure to place it accordingly. Now if we go to the Effects tab, we can add an effect to the adjustment layer. For example, I'll add a black and white effect. And now we can see that both clips under the adjustment layer have taken on the black and white effect. If I wanted to make a section of a project black and white, this method would be much quicker and easier than adding the effect to each clip individually. Adjustment layers can be stacked if you want to apply multiple effects. For example, let's add another adjustment layer here, and we'll add a distortion effect. Let's do the wave warp effect. So now we can see that both the distortion and the black and white effect are applied to both clips. One great use for adjustment layers is color correction. Let's say, for example, that an entire scene I filmed needed color correction. Instead of adjusting each shot, I can add a color balance effect to an adjustment layer to adjust everything at once, then make smaller edits where necessary. You can do this in the Color Correction tab in the Effects panel. That's the basics for working with adjustment layers in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the TSW YouTube channel for more.